Hey guys, it's Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to share this video with you. And in this video, I want to show you the cheapest web hosting out there. No cap. I have done all the dirty jobs, I've done all the testing, and I'm recommending the cheapest for you. And if you're excited to know which hosting I will be recommending to you, then let's get started into the tutorials immediately. If you've been following me for a while right now, you know that I have been recommending, I've been talking about the best budget hosting out there to be Hostinger. And so if you come to my screen right here, Hostinger, you see that you can invest in Hostinger for as low as $2.99 per month. And also you'll be getting a 3 months free. If you come down here, you would see that Hostinger gives you access to 3 different hosting plans, which is their premium, their business hosting plan, and also their cloud startup plan. For their premium hosting plan, you can start for as low as $2.99 per month. And I think that's literally good enough for anyone starting. I have not invested in their cloud startup before, and neither their business. I've always been using their premium, and it's always enough for me. And if you scroll down here, you see the top features that have been highlighted for you here. Standard performance, you can host up to 100 websites. I don't really think that's true. You have access to 100 gigabyte SSD storage. You have weekly backups, unlimited free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, free email, free domain value for $9.99 dollars in value. There's no free DNS, there's no dedicated IP, and if you scroll down there, you can begin to see a good number of other things. But let's add this to cart, and then we can see exactly what to still do with their pricing. One thing I know about Hostinger is that Hostinger becomes cheaper for you when you invest long term in them. And I think they are the number one hosting provider that I see that give you access to a 48 months plan. Many people don't understand the value, the gold in having a 48 months plan to start. Like I said, many hosting provider will not give you access to this because you get to enjoy entry level for 48 months. And here they are still giving you extra 3 months. So you can enjoy an entry level for 51 months. That's crazy. In case you don't understand what entry pricing means, so if you come down here, you will see that this plan now renews at $6.99 per month. So they are giving you an entry level for $2.99, and this is the same strategy literally all hosting provider gives you. So most of them will just want you to invest in a 12 months plan so that you can start paying a recurring fee that is crazily expensive. So, but for Hostinger to be able to give you this entry level for 48 months and still give you extra 3 months, to me is gold. And you can also see that while you can pay $2.99 per month here, and also for 24 months, and also for 12 months, you will see that their renewal price is not the same. So this is 6.99, this is 7.99, and this is 9.99. That's crazy. And as a matter of fact, to make things even better, you can still use my coupon code to get a further slash down. So if you come down here, you come to coupon code and you type in Daps and you hit the apply button, you can see that you now have a slash down. So if you come up, you should be paying $2.99. Now you can pay as low as $2.69. And now you can see that you can pay $129.17 as opposed to $575 that you should be paying. This is crazy, and it's the best deal I have seen out there. Compared to the resources you get, a free domain, you also be getting a free domain. The truth is I have promoted a lot of hosting services in time past. As a matter of fact, if you are following me for a while, you see at some point I've promoted IPages. As a matter of fact, I am not recommending any EIG hosting company anymore, so you can go search more about that. So if you come to iPage, for example, you can see that iPage sells for $1.99 per month. That's crazy. And I have used iPage. As a matter of fact, I'm affiliate with them. I have an affiliate link. I can literally just tell you this is the cheapest, but this is not the cheapest in my opinion, because if you look at the add-on services you have to pay for, and if you look at the crappy services they give to you, you will know that this is just a shadow of itself. So I have worked with them for a while. I thought they would get better, but they are not getting better. And at this level, my integrity is very, very important. So I made up my mind that I will stop recommending any hosting services that I am not using. check the video description, you will see that I am only recommending 3 web hosting right now because those are the 3 hosting I am using currently, and that's Hostinger, and the next one is A2 hosting. A2 hosting also start at 2.99, but you're able to host just one website with it. Quite fantastic resources you have with A2 hosting. In case you have so much money to invest in, then my final hosting is SiteGround. So I would recommend you look at them. They start pricing at 3.99, 6.99, and 10.99. And I recommend them because you get immense value. In my opinion, A2 hosting is the closest hosting provider that I've used that will give you something commensurate to what you get with SiteGround at a cheaper price. I have used their services here. I've used their turbo boost. As a matter of fact, you get immense speed and several resources using this. You can check the link to this in the description, in the video description. These are my affiliate link. I will appreciate if you can buy through my link. I say things the way things are. I'm not going to tell you aside from this hosting, other hosting are not good. As a matter of fact, I've used other hosting in time past like Cloudways. Cloudways is still good. I still have an account with Cloudways, but I'm not currently hosting my website with them. But the truth is you will need extra effort, and Cloudways is not a platform I would recommend to starters. And I have done my research to see that I attract more beginners to my YouTube channel, and that's the reason why I'm not recommending them. Honestly, they're a good platform and other few good platforms out there. But again, I can't use all of them, and if I want to keep to the rule of only recommending hosting services that I've used, this is the truth. This is the 3 that I'm using currently. So you can do your research further. As a matter of fact, maybe before I even end this video, I should just show you. You can just come here. You can come to your browser and search cheapest web hosting and do your research and check what other people are saying. These are sponsored topics, so I really don't want to spend time here. So you can see even for Google themselves, cheapest web hosting services, you can see that Hostinger is number 1 on that list. And then Bluehost, like I told you, I'm not recommending the EIG group of companies. Bluehost is part of them. HostGator is part of them. IPages is part of them. So these are EIG companies. They are a group of companies. You can go do your research more about them. So why people were very quick to give up on the EIG group, say terrible things about them, I am not one of those that find it very easy to talk down on people. But after a while, after I'm convinced that these guys are not improving on their platform, I just had to ditch them. My integrity now is very, very important to me. I've got lots of complaints from clients, from students complaining about server performance and a lot of things. So I just told myself, no, that's the reason why I'm still affiliated with all of them. I'm affiliated with Bluehost, with HostGator, with iPage, but I won't recommend them. So let's check hosting advice. Let's see. You can see Hostinger is number 1. So that's it. So I'm not the only one recommending Hostinger. So let's check Crazy Egg too as well. Let's see what this is saying. Cheapest web hosting, you can see Hostinger is number 1. So I'm no cap. There's no need going back and forth. Okay, so there's Forbes here. Let's see what Forbes is saying. Oh, so you can see this list here is more of the EIG groups, Bluehost, Hostinger. So I'm not really recommending them. So I'm sorry. I'm not being biased, but so coming back here, this is the best in my opinion. So invest in this and you'll be grateful you did. So you can use my affiliate link in case you are considering investing in Hostinger or whatever, whether SiteGround or A2 hosting. I'll be so grateful for your support. If you're using Hostinger, ensure to use my coupon code so that you can get a further slash down. That's my time for this video. I hope you get value for your time. If you do, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in another video, and until then, have a wonderful time. Bye for now.